Creating a time and material project. From the Quick Launch menu on the right, select the New Project option. On the new page, start to enter the client's name and select them from the list that appears below. Select Create a Blank Project and click Next. Make sure that the Time and Materials project is selected. Now select a work type from the drop-down menu. It is possible to customize this list by going to Settings, then Codes. These are used for reporting if you do different types of work. Click Next. Now enter a description for the project. Here we are just entering some example details. You can add project resources if you wish, and then click Next. Add a task if none are present by clicking the Add New Task button. You do require one or more tasks to be able to record time. As you can see here, we have a couple of tasks already. Let's add another. Give it a name, description, and fill in the billing and category information. If you want to break the task down further, this can give you more detail. To complete the adding process, check one of the tasks and click Add Project. Now you can enter some time from either the main timesheet screen in the blue menu or the timesheet screen in the smaller menu under the Projects tab. You can navigate to the Parts tab to enter any parts used in the job by clicking the Add Items button, for example a screen, or you can set up internal parts for things like mileage. You will only need to add the item once to set that part up. Let's do mileage as an example. You could search for the part, but since it's not going to exist, you need to click New Product. Fill in the details. Product code is particularly useful if you charge a service fee here. Here we'll charge 72 pence per mile. You might do a product code if you charge a service fee as well. You can then easily add it when you need to by using the filter, if necessary, or just clicking Next. Select the relevant item, click Next again, and finally enter the details of the charge. Make sure to enter a buy price and click Add Product Item. You'll be taken back to the Parts page where you can see a summary of the charge. Now to add time, you can go to Timesheets in the main menu and click New Timesheet. Select a client and project, and in this example, we will do 1.5 hours. You need to enter this as units. Each unit is 15 minutes. Make the time chargeable and click Save. Now let's say it's the end of the month and you want to bill this. Go into Projects and click Generate Invoices. Here we will do just the one client, but we could do it in bulk. Make sure just the Time and Materials checkbox is selected. The period ending is the cut-off date to pick up the timesheets. Normally this would be the prior month, but since I want to pick up today's timesheet, I have made it the end of this month. Click Next. On the Generate Invoice page, select the invoice that you want to create and click Generate Invoices. By default, it is on draft. Click into it and click Approve Invoice, and it will email the invoice out within the next 24 hours. If you want to send it straight away, the Action drop-down box has this option. Select the invoices you want to send, and then in the drop-down box, choose Email Selected Invoices, and then click Apply. You can set a different email address to what you would normally use under the Financial page for the client. For example, accounts@examplecompany.com.